Community Day doesn't have to be the only day when you can do science experiments. You can practice being an everyday educator by making learning a lifestyle at home or wherever you are. How often do we take the time to pause and wonder about the weather? Today's experiment is all about the weather and what happens when the air changes temperatures. The science behind weather can be a little complex, but the outcome is easy for children to observe in everyday life. We're going to explore how temperature changes the way that air moves. In the description below, we've linked a video to the Weather Network for a little more context around what you're going to see in this experiment. Let's get started. For this experiment, you will need ice, 2 glasses roughly the same size, red food coloring, blue food coloring, a clear container, cardboard that is about the same size as your container, and scissors for trimming. First, I'm going to show you that temperature changes the way that water molecules move by filling 1 glass with hot water. And then we're going to fill the other glass with ice water. So let's put some of our ice cubes in here. Next, I'll slowly add 3 to 5 drops of red food coloring to the hot water. Then we'll add 3 to 5 drops of blue dye to the ice water. Let's attend together. Do you see how the red food coloring is dispersing more quickly than the blue food coloring? That is because the molecules of hot water actually move faster than the molecules of cold water. Now that the food coloring has moved through each glass, we can observe how hot water and cold water act when they are mixed together. First, we need to prepare our clear container by fitting a piece of cardboard in the middle. You want to create a wall to separate the 2 types of water, so fit it carefully, trimming as needed. Next, we will slowly add the hot water to one side of the bowl and cold water to the other side. When we are ready, we will quickly move the cardboard and allow the water to mix. Notice how the hot water is rising to the top and the cold water, which is blue, is sinking to the bottom. Can you also see the purple area where the 2 mix? From this, we can see that cold air settles to the bottom and hot air rises to the top. We hope you enjoy this experiment. Follow us on social media and show us your versions. We'll see you soon, and until then, remember that learning is a lifestyle. Be an everyday educator.